How to find WhatsApp notifications settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find WhatsApp notification settings on Deezer mobile. First thing, open Deezer and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then just click this one, notifications, and then scroll down until you find WhatsApp here and then click on it. And here you will find WhatsApp notification settings, and that's it. That's how to find WhatsApp notification settings on Deezer. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.